In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install iTunes on your Windows computer. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So you can easily get iTunes on your Windows computer through Microsoft Store. To do this, it is quite simple. Just head over to your computer or on your laptop, and then down here on the taskbar, you'll be able to see this option called Microsoft Store. So if you click on Microsoft Store, it will open the store, and from here go ahead and create an account if you don't have, or log in if you already have. So to create an account, you can simply use your Google account and you'll have a free account. Now to get iTunes, you can simply go through the apps, and if you can't find it, you can just simply come up here and then use the search function to search for it, and you can see iTunes is here. I'll go ahead and click on it. And now to download and install it on your laptop or on your PC, just go ahead and click on Get, and this will initiate a download process. Now, as you can see, iTunes is quite a heavy program. It is around 219 MBs, so it might take a minute or two before it is done downloading and installing. And once the download is done, it will go ahead and install. And now you can launch it from here directly or pin it to start. So if I go ahead and click on open, iTunes will be launched on my computer. So I already have now the program. Now, if you can see the shortcut for this, you can just go to start menu here, and then you'll get the shortcut here. So you can click on it to pin to start menu, and you're good to go. So if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching.